We need a strategic placement. I want this one.
Wait, where's the thing?
Oh, it's on this side, okay.
Let's see how this works again.
Because apparently I gotta keep my loose articles with me.
Welcome to the Ubanga Banga Bumper Cars. For your safety, please pull your lamp bars down to your waist and secure all loose articles, such as hats, cameras, and glasses.
Alright, here we go.
Here we go, everyone. Go, go, go. Ah, we got him. We got him. Well, that's what happens when you turn too quickly. You drift. Get the drift on him. Oh. Go, go, go. We're eyeing out our next target. See that guy in the orange? That's our guy. Oh, no. Looks like we're stuck. I was intercepted. We'll come around for him again. Rerouting. Come here. Ah! Let's see. How do you back up in this? Oh, okay. Oh, wait, there we go. Righty-tighty, lefty. We're gonna have to sneak around everyone. Come here, Orange. Green, I'm catching you. Uh-oh. Ah! The sneak attack. I said to back up, that works too. On my tail. Oh no! Launching an attack. Oh. Ah! Drift on him. Uh-oh.
Alrighty, once the clock has come, so you can please stop. You may exit and actually towards the opposite
my neck.
side. Make sure you guys take a special belongings and dry cleaning here after the shot.
That was great.
All the way to the left and all the way. How do we get out of here?
Yeah, how do we get out of here?
I let you know.
Thank you. Have a good one.